All righty. Tier 1. Back on the brake pad, guys. We were impressed on Friday. We had a couple cases left over. You guys filled these up super quick. Thank you so much. And may the boom be with you all. We shall select one of those two. But first, let's randomize those teams, man. All right, here's the group in. And here are our teams. Our teams. Got a couple of combos in there. I think it's 28 total spots on this random teamer. 3 plus. An ace. 4 total clicks. We go. 3 and 4. Boom. All right, so the San Francisco Giants to the Texas Rangers. Giants for Rangers. There it is. Giants to the Rangers. Boom. All right, and then Mark to Dargan. Wow, it's another ace, guys. Look out. We got three more aces to go. Hit a Yahtzee. And we'll give away break credit. All right, so these 28 names, mix them up 4 times total again. 3 and 4. Boom. All right, I've got Joe at the top of the list, down to Claude. And paste you guys over. Boom. So Joel at the top there with the Giants, Claude with the Rangers down there. And we'll sort it by alphabetic. Boom. Adam Barnes, Diamondbacks and the Pirates. To Tyler Mesco there with the Nationals. Trade window is open now, guys, just for a short time while I'm busting open the case. Getting all the packs out. All right, we're still searching a bat knob. We just hit a bad barrel. How about a bat knob now? I'm feeling it. I'm feeling good about it. It could happen. Jason. Awesome. Jason, what's his name? I see. So under Tyler. Oh, wait. Jason. I bet it's Tyler. I see him with Washington down there. All right, here it is. Adam with the Diamondbacks, Pirates. Adam T with the Reds. Miguel with the Phillies, Angels, and Brewers. Bruce. Marlins, Royals. Cameron with the Blue Jays. Chad, White Sox. Chad Howell, that is. Chad S with the Mariners. Robbie, Tigers, Twins, Mets, and Rangers. Corey has the Yankees. Dargan with the Rays. Dwayne with the Tribe. Jason with the Padres. Jeff, Rockies. Joe with the Giants. Mark with the Dodgers. Steve K, Red Sox, Orioles. Steve S, Houston. Terry with the A's and the Braves. TK with St. Louis and Chicago, the Cubbies. And Tyler with the Nationals. All right, this is number 3, Tier 1. Number 2. Yes, number 2. All right, which case? Odd top one, even number bottom one. It's a number 8. So we take the one on the bottom. Let's have need the Bane bob. The more his head bobbles, the bigger the booms. John is in the room. That is a good omen there for Tyler. Steve says Ozer, the Red Sox, are available. Wow, somehow that box got on end. That's amazing that they all came out together that way. All right. All right, cool. I want to make a note, Jason, so we made sure we got your request notated. Boom. All right. So we did hit a couple of amazing button cards on release day in our 7 cases, I believe it was. Or 6. It was 6 cases, wasn't it? Yeah, we did 5 teams and then 1 random. So guys, I saw Wednesday. We're going to be Wednesday and Thursday, I think it is. Tier 1's going to be in our eBay store. So you can grab your teams. You can bid on your teams in eBay on a Tier 1 case. We're doing another shipment tomorrow. So I guess there's at least 1 case going to be in there. Hopefully there'll be another one. All right, guys. The teams are closed. Oh, do we have a trade? Steve S has the Astros. Steve K owns the Red Sox. Right, so well, it says Steve G in the chat. You guys want to do that deal? Okay, last second trade. Okay, got it. Okay, so Astros and Red Sox are swapping. So our Steves are going to swap them. I got it. Okay. Steves are trading. Steve, thank you. Okay, Steve, thanks for confirming it. All right. All right, both teams with some good potential in there. Good luck to y'all both, man. Boston now to Steve S. Steve K with Houston. All right, guys, that's the last trade. So, or the last deal that was made, yes. All right, I'm going to clean. I just realized I left all the names up for that last break. I hope that's okay. It clutters it up a little bit, but if you guys don't mind, if you guys would actually rather, I do leave them up sometimes. Kind of testing it out. All right, everybody. Good luck. All right, first card out is going to the Brewers. I like it. Put in your request now, Mark. Yes. All right, Woodruff, 205 out of 299. 205 out of 299. Brandon Woodruff. Milwaukee for B. Yeah, B. Gill. Nice. And there's a first for Red Sox. 329 out of 395. Chris Hale for Steve. And there's a Hira. 62 out of 299. Old Milwaukee. Old Milwaukee's best. Young player, young prospect maybe. The Hira. Kesson. For 2 Brewers. Brian, congrats. All right, next, Logan Allen autograph. 3 out of 299. Cleveland, Dwayne. Congrats there. And a Tatis for the Padres. San Diego, Jason G. 50 out of 395. Future general manager. And for the Mets, Jeff McNeil. Mets. Robbie, 8 out of 54. 8 out of 54. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. Nice card, Cameron. The Toronto Blue Jays land a copper auto. 325, Gurriel. Nice. And Hideki Matsui, Legends Mem. 88 out of 199. Grants to Corey. And next is a Kerry Wood short print. Also to 25 in copper. Cubs win. Holy cow. A blast for the past. Kerry Wood. Carry. Like that, baby. Carry. TK. Nice Cubbies card. All right, this pack is extra challenging for me to open. There must be something good in there. All right, and wow, Kyle Lewis, another 1 to 25 in copper. Seattle, Chad. Boom, 14 to 25 heading your way. Brendan McKay. Rookie Mem, 30 out of 395. Tampa Bay Rays. Dargan. Austin Nola. Mariners, another one, Chad. Numbered 2, 395. 67 is the card number. And for the Atlanta Braves, Austin Riley, 64 of 150. Hotland for Terry. 64 of 150. Nice save for Mr. Riley. Ooh, this might have 3 autos in here. AJ Puck is one of them. Going to Oaktown. Terry, back-to-back autos. 6 of 299. Oakland. And Zach Collins. Yes, indeed. This is 4 hits. Pretty sure it's going to be 3 autos. Zach Collins for the White Sox. Chad, 255 out of 299. And Carlos Carrasco. Cookie Carrasco for the Indians. Dwayne Deach, 383 out of 395. And there's the Wizard for St. Louis. TK, 31 of 100. TK, boom. 31. Card number 31. Got one of his jersey numbers. Ozzy, what number 1? All right, Mike Tauchman. 219 out of 299 for the Yankees. Corey Parse. Carlos Correa. Houston Astros, Steve K. 265 out of 395. And looky there. Another Astro. Steve. 15 out of 25. El Gigante. Little Tuve. Boom. Tuves. I bet that guy can still hit 300. All right. There. on the front. I just felt I had to show it. The Beebs for the hometown tribe. Dwayne 273 out of 299. Congrats, Cleveland working. And there's Jorge Soler. Kansas City style. All right, the Royals are combined. So Bruce 222 out of 299 on the Soler. And for the Brew Crew, a dual patcher 3 of 25. Yelly! Brian, congrats, man. Brian, I think you were chasing the Brewers in our PYTs. Happy for you to see that one show for your club. Real nice little patch, man. A little barley and hops in there. All right, got a couple, looks like a couple hits in there. All right. Oh, Josh Hader now. Brew Crew. 187 out of 299. Swinging the bat is old Josh in there. Soler. Royals, Bruce. 333 out of 395. And a Mikolas. 373 out of 395. $373 out of $395. Oh my goodness. And a Jordan rookie card. Boom. 130 out of 299. Oh, that darn Houston spot. For Stevie K. Wow. Steve S. I got to find a Red Sox in here for you. Boom. On the Jordan. Whew. Richard, we have not, man. We just been doing baseball. We've only done the mixer, and now we're doing our first Tier 1 case break. So we got a little time, man. I'm going to have to try to hustle. Yeah, I should be able to fit it in, but it's going to be tight. 007 out of 299. Alex Young for the Diamondbacks. That one is going to Adam Barn. Wilson Contreras. Cubbies. 235 out of 395. And Zach Sternwheeler. The New York Mets. Robbie. Mets with another autograph. 45 of 299. Those darn Bowman boxes. LA Dodgers. Mark. 251 out of 299. Matt Beatty. Lords. Gurriel to 395. Toronto gets another one. Number 12. Padres. Morjon. Going with the Tatis relic to 395. And guess who's back? Kerry Wood. Boom. Cubs win again. Kerry Wood. 79 of 299 on that one. We have seen multiple of the same guy. Usually they're to a different print run. All right. Oh, there he is. Tyler, check it out. It is one of our favorites. Carter. Key boom. Say it with me, Tyler. Key boom. 121 out of 299. Oh, man. Hope you keep that one a long time. Tyler. Key boom. Love saying that name. All right, there's Albert Pujols for the Angels. Brian, 169 out of 395. And for the Cubbies, Andre the Hawk. The Hawk Dawson, 91 of 100. All right, come on, baby. One more box. Haha, cool. All right. Woo! I just saw a bat knob, guys. I just saw a bat knob. Woo, baby. Okay. Savale auto to 299. Yes. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. The autograph on the other side. Wait, is it? Oh my goodness. Holy cow, Chad. This box is completely ridiculous. First we've seen of Luis Robert. Kaboom! He was right next to the bat knob. 24 of 25. That card, dude, this is weird. This card thickness is much less than the regular autograph thickness. So they made, I think they did it on purpose. I think the Robert card might be thinner and might be part of other bigger hits, maybe in the total run, but you'll never be able to figure it because it sure didn't seem any different. It's definitely a thinner card stock. Wow. Chad, what a card. And there's something else underneath this one. Can you believe it, guys? We're going from a bat barrel card in a break to a bat knob in a break. You don't see that unless we're doing Ignition. Our very own buyback product, we do that all the time. But never in straight product runs. This is amazing. Good luck, everyone. I don't know. Right there's the name. Javi Baez. It might be, it could be, it is. A 3. A 1 of 1. Kaboom. Cubs win. Cubs win. Holy cow. Oh, there it is. A Baez bat knob from 2020, Tier 1. Yes. The date, April 23rd, 2019, is on the card. Glad I still had some 261 touches. That's one size we're not really getting short on. We're getting short on some others. It's not quite that tall of a card, but it'll be nice and safe in there. Unbelievable. Wow, TK, what a hit, man. What a box that was. Wow, man. Two monsters right there. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We'll stop and save it there. If your team didn't hit anything, we'll make sure you get a hobby pack sent to you at minimum, guys. Again, thanks so much. That is a wrap.